Hi, St. Clair. Sabi na tayo mamaya mag-lunch.
Nakita ko pala si Sheila at si Sheila. Magkasama sa pagkakas.
Ba't kaya nagkakagusto ko kay St. Clair? Nagkakayos naman eh.
Saan? Kung ano mga kayo sa video? Saan po? Kalilo na. Kailan? Bukas. Yes! Kaya na!
Humingin ka na!
Wala akong bakit!
Eh, ba nangyayari dito ha?
Bakit? Ano pang
Bakit?
problema to?
Hoy! Baka na lang!
Oh, sige!
Bakit?
Ano ba yan?
Bakit?
I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm good on that pussy shit. I don't want what I can get. I want someone with secrets that nobody knows.
Nasaan ka ba?
Oh,
Paano ka pa namin hinahanap?
andito ako sa bahay. Bakit ba?
Wait lang. Papunta kami dyan. Tara.
Saan sila is?
Ando, nakipag-date.
Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso.
Ba't mo ba ako hinahatid?
Para safe ka.
Ganun ba? Hindi pala sa pag-i-apply mo ako.
Wala yun. Sila pala ba yun? Ito na pala yung bawal ko para kapag-transfer ako.
Ba't kaya nag-transfer si Luther? Ano ba kasing ginagawa mo dito?
Ikaw siguro yung mahabol sa akin kanina, no?
You get too close just to wake up alone, and I know you think you can run. You're scared to believe I'm the one, but I just can't let you go. Let the world burn. Let the world burn for you. This is how it always had to end. If I can't have you, then no one can. I let it burn. I let the world burn. Just to hear you calling out my name, watching it all go down in flames. Not enough money in. You put a spell on me, I'm losing my mind. You better stop these things, it's a matter of time. Before I hunt you down, grab your chin and kiss your lips, you bring me back, I lay you down and grab your hips, and we lose all control. And before you
Go.
I put a spell on you. I've got a hold on you, at least for the night. You know I can't help myself when you ask tenderly if I dim the lights as your hand brushes me, and the floor swallows your clothes, and your silhouette puts on a show. You put a spell on me, I'm losing my mind. You better stop these games, it's a matter of time. Before I hunt you down, grab your chin and kiss your lips, then you bring me back, I lay you down and grab your hips, and we